To remove a stripped screw with a screw extractor, pick a screw extractor with a tip about a third of the diameter of the screw head. In general, a number 1 extractor is good for number 6 to number 10 screws. A number 2 extractor is good for number 10 to number 14 screws. Use a 5/64 inch drill bit for a number 1 extractor. Use a 7/64 inch drill bit for a number 2 extractor. Drill a pilot hole straight into the stripped screw. Start by drilling about a 1/4 inch into the screw. With an extractor handle or a drill, turn the extractor counterclockwise. If you're using a drill, use a slow speed and push firmly into the screw. If the extractor doesn't grip, drill the pilot hole slightly deeper. Try the extractor again, turning it counterclockwise.